Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another page kit layout. This is a scrap room kit from sometime in 2024. Don't actually know when. I did have it, but I think it's like April. It's early in the year, right? It is the Simple Stories Remember collection. So it's all about like loss and stuff, right? Like it's a celebration of life collection. So I'm doing my best to use it because I don't take pictures at funerals and stuff. So we're gonna do these two of me and the Hubs at Grant's Farm here in St. Louis. That is a Anheuser-Busch Clydesdale in the background. Those are some of the most beautiful horses known to man, and they're all over the place. I feel like his name was Luca, but it was my company's work party, so we have a family picnic and stuff, and I was told I was a volunteer and I have to be on the committee and stuff for the picnic, and I didn't wear my shirt. Yeah, so it's also Get Into Shape. It's a hop that we do. It's put on by my really good friend Miranda Weber, where we pick a shape and we use it once a month. It's all about circles today. These stencils are new to me. I ordered them from Sandy, who is State Goddess, and it's Scrapping Reflections is the store. And I thought, you guys, I'm always trying to figure out how to make this work. So we're going to do circles with these. And then I've got a little bit on the sheet because I've been playing off screen as well, and a little bit in the pack. You know how the scrap room works. I've got a scrap of this cards, or this pattern paper, this one, and this one. Plus we have some basil walnut cream. We're going to use one of those today. And then we're going to cut circles out of everything else. So I just have to figure out what is what, right? So I think we'll trim the photos down and we'll mat it on these. And then the rest of them, I'm just going to cut circles out of them. This one right here. Probably, so I don't really want to cut too many you know what I'm looking for there, embellishments, because I have enough over here that I think I'm going to be able to finish this off with. So the goal is to finish this off. So I'm going to trim these down, mat it with those, trace and cut my circles, and we'll be right back. All right, this is what we've come up with. I've traced and cut all kinds of fun little, not little, circles. We've got them in here down. I've got the photos down. We've got little embellishments there. So I was going through these items because, like I said, it's a celebration of life, which, not my thing, right? This is not, would have been really good for my husband's mom's pictures. She passed away, but you know, let's pop that up on some foam. What do you say? Okay. So, did you see? Oh, B, you just gotta stop, sister. We've got, I did a weird cut, and that's what we have left. And then the foam usually ends up sticking. Okay, let's cut that little piece off. Ugh, it's been a day. Put that one there, and that one there. Okay. Put the little dove up there. Got Cherish. Little heart. apparently she's not cool right now. Her dad might be coming in too. Mostly because we made fun of her earlier. And he walked in and she didn't do anything. Loving memory. I think we can make that work. Loved forever. We'll just get that stuck in there. Used up. Let's do forever. So this is fun because even these are circles, right? And then we can do forever. See, sure hope it spells right. And I hope it fits. So we'll just get this stick on here. If not, it's gonna hang over. Dang it. And be honest with you, this one's already gonna have been gripped, so we deal with it. So everything that was, and you'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. So there's with sympathy and memoranda, beyond blessed, cherish, miss you so much, not forgotten, walk beside us, cherish the memories, loved ones. Go ahead and use that. Hold them close, a life well lived, guardian angels, sending love your way. I feel like we can get that on there as well. Not a big fan of what I've done down here. Always remember. Use today, always remember. That works for me. Blessing. Another always remember. Together again, remember. Thinking of you. Oh, I smile when I think of you. Like, let's just get this checked right there, and then we'll come in with some of the, whoa, Becky, whoa. Okay. I like this little thing. That, you know, stuck there. Let's pop this up on some foam as well. I had the foam out. I feel like I've lost the foam. That's alright. That will turn up, trust me. It always does, doesn't it? Get that stuck there. And this kit is going to be killed because, let's be honest, I'm not using it for anything else. Okay. Put that guy there. Come in. This guy there. I like putting him upside down. That is by design. I'm good. I know there's a lot still left on here, but we're going to take that one day at a time. There's that foam. Told you it would come up. Oh, come on. And now it's like going to static cling to my hand. All right, I want to find this color. I know that it is in here close enough. Let's go ahead and draw some sketchy lines. I'm going to splatter with a little bit of ink. I did scuff all of the edges, like I just stressed them all around the circles because I can't cut a circle perfect. So that is the best way to hide. And then right here, let's put Grant's Farm, September 2024. Come to my realization I'm not going to remember dates, okay? So, you guys are probably laughing like, ooh. I'm going to do some Heidi Swapp Color Shine in the gold. It's like been my go-to. And, okay. And that is going to do it. So there is a playlist for the hop. Check that out. See what you guys can do with circles. I am digging this. I like using all the different circles and just getting a nice design out there. So now I've got to trim up that sticker sheet, see what I'm going to keep, and any of the real religious or funeral-esque, unfortunately, guys, I am getting rid of. But that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.